So I had the privilege of staying here at the Snowmass Limelight Hotel. Incredible stay, wonderful customer service, beautiful location. Had everything you needed. Fantastic breakfast to start the day off. So you walk right outside the door of the Limelight and everything is right there. Ski school starts at Del Camp Gondola, and then we have these incredible hot tubs with these incredible views. Fitness center right there. Everything's clean, colorful. Everything makes you smile. In fact, I was having coffee and breakfast with watching Warren Miller and just talking skiing with everyone. So fantastic place. Sun is shining. It's April. The conditions are great. Good morning from Aspen, Colorado, on top of the Aspen ski area. Look at this, it's April 9th. Great conditions.